Soldier gunned down in fiery exchange in downtown Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A soldier has died as a result of injuries he sustained during a shooting incident along Charles Street and Chestnut Lane in Kingston early Friday morning. Reports are that at around 1:25 a.m., members of the military were on foot patrol in the Charles Street and Chestnut area when they saw a group of suspicious men traveling on foot. The soldiers went in pursuit of the men, who reportedly opened gunfire at them. It is reported that the soldiers took evasive action and returned the fire. When the shooting subsided, one member of the military was found suffering from what appears to be a gunshot wound to the left side of his face, according to reports. The gunmen then fled the area on foot. The injured soldier was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Independent Commission of Investigation and the scenes of crime personnel are at the location. Links 007 TV will have more details on this story to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.